Hello everyone, it's Jessica LeMoine and me, Lee Johnston with Atlanta Fine Homes, Sotheby's International Realty, and we are out at Brookmeade in West Forsyth County today looking at new construction by Toll Brothers.
Toll Brothers are an excellent builder here in Georgia. The quality of the homes stands out. We have seen a couple of new constructions now, and they really do
a nice
pay
job.
attention to detail. And we have both new construction being built and a model home that has not yet been sold. So we're going to give you both of those. Yeah, we're going to show you both of those. So I hope you like the tour. Again, it's Brookmeade. These are about 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4.5 bath. Some are on slabs, some are unfinished basements. Price ranges from about, what do you say?
$850 if you're lucky.
$850 for what's left of $850 till about $940, depending on the finishes that you want.
And the model home was 1.4 as finished.
And you will see why during that tour.
That's right.
All right, hope you enjoy it. Here we have the first floor of the Rylan floor plan on this beautiful model home. Featuring a home office with wonderful paneled walls to make it more modern. An outdoor space for entertaining. As we enter a beautiful kitchen, breakfast nook, and a second entertaining kitchen. As we walk through the pantry with beautiful built-ins and into the mudroom, coming back around to this beautiful designed kitchen. On the second level of the Rylan model home in Brookmeade, with a loft area that you can do whatever you want to, really. Bedroom number 1, with ensuite bathroom. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And the owner's suite. Brookmeade has a beautiful pool area that's very resort-like.